Hello and welcome back to another exciting video of class 3 EVS, and today we are going to start our very new lesson, and the name of the lesson is care and compassion. If you will go through the index, you will see that this lesson is of number 21, but how are we going to take it in first term or in the beginning of a second term? But as we get our syllabus from the head office, we have to complete the syllabus accordingly. Before that, I would like to show you one thing, that this is our book. You might have got this. Okay, this is our book. It's a nice book actually. Last year it was bluish in color. This time also it has some greenish shade. So we are starting our new lesson. The name of the lesson is care and compassion. So what is care and compassion all about? We are going to learn about this. How do we care about our surroundings, our animals, our elder, and those who are in need? We are going to learn about that. So what are the points that we will be covering in this lesson? So caring for the differently abled means those who have caring for the differently abled means those who are not complete like us, means some of them may not see properly, some of them may not speak properly, some of them may not hear properly or walk properly. So how we are going to care about that? So caring for differently abled. Next one is a caring for elderly, means how we are going to care for our elders, then caring for the needy, those who are in need, and caring for the animals. These 4 points are there. It's a small lesson. We are going to cover those 4 points in a while. Okay, so let's get started about our very first point, that is caring for differently abled. Now if we will discuss about caring for differently abled, so what are the problems that these guys or these people will have, or what are those problems? So they may not hear or speak, they might have trouble in walking, okay, और दे माइट हैव अदर प्रॉब्लम्स सच एज हेयरिंग, मतलब कुछ लोग बहरे होते हैं, अंधे होते हैं, किसी को बात करनी है तो गूंगे होते हैं. सम ऑफ देम माइट नॉट हैव ऑल दोज हैंड्स एंड लेग्स, देयर लेग्स एंड हैंड्स मे नॉट बी अ परफेक्ट वन. किसी के हाथ खराब होते, किसी को पैरालिसिस हुआ होता है. So these are the people. Okay, so differently abled people means those who have some disabilities in their body. कुछ disability होती है ना. So this kind of disabilities may be there in their body. So how to deal with them? Okay, so how we are going to deal with them? So जब कोई अंधा दिखता है, बहरा दिखता है, गूंगा दिखता है, कोई लंगड़ा है या फिर किसी कोई दिक्कत है, so we have to care for them. So what we can do for them? So suppose if someone is passing a road and he is not able to walk properly, we have to help them. If someone is blind, who cannot see and crossing a road or walking sideways, so we have to help them or guide others to help him to cross the road or to do whatever he is doing too. So this is about some caring about a differently abled person who are not able to walk, not able to see, not able to talk, and not able to do other things perfectly. So this is about caring about differently abled person. You know, there is one very nice story is there. Louis Braille. Louis Braille is the name of a person who lost his eyesight. Eyesight means he became blind. वो देख नहीं पा रहा था. So when he lost his eyesight when he was 3 years old, जब वो 3 साल का था, that time he lost his eyesight, but he had very keen interest in reading and writing. So उसको लिखने में और पढ़ने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट था. So that is why he invented his own method of writing and reading, own method of reading, that is called Braille, BRAILLE, Braille. Okay, so इसमें क्या होता है, जो टेक्स्ट होता है वो एक छोटे छोटे डॉट्स के मदद से उभरा हुआ टेक्स्ट होता है, एंड यूजिंग आवर फिंगर्स they just move their fingers around and they can read it. So that is the language of blind people for reading, that is Braille. Now next one is a caring for elderly. Now elder, like suppose we are young, you are a kid, so we don't feel those problems now, but when we become elder, जब हम बूढ़े बन जाते हैं, our body cannot support us that much. हमारे body, हाथ, पैर, कान, okay, eyes, they cannot support us as they are supporting right now. So जो दिक्कतें उन्हें बुढ़ापे में होती है, so when you have someone at your home who is elder or who is older, so you have to help them. So what can we do? So you have to help them while they are eating, while they are walking, and while they are doing their day-to-day work. You have to help them out so that they can live freely as we are living in our free world. So when they are walking that time, if they are having their own stick or something, you have to provide that stick to them. So that is the thing that we can do with them, or in this way we can help them. जब वो चल रहे तो चलने के लिए मदद करें, जब वो बैठ रहे तो उन्हें बैठने के लिए मदद करें, जब वो खड़े रहना चाहते हैं, so you have to lend your hand to them while they are standing and walking also. Okay, so these are the things that you can do with the elderly people. Now caring for the needy person. Now listen, we are blessed that our parents can provide us whatever the things we need. हमें जो भी चाहिए, खाना चाहिए, पीना चाहिए, फल, fruits, यानी toys, whatever we need, we can get it. But think about the people who cannot afford 2 times meal also, जो 2 वक्त का खाना भी नहीं afford कर सकते. Think about them. There are many children who starts working as a laborer in their early age only. जब जो छोटे होते तब से ही काम करना शुरू करते हैं बेटा. So what we can do for them? आप बहुत सारे स्टेट में या फिर बहुत सारी जगह पे आपने देखा होंगे छोटे छोटे बच्चे भीख मांगते हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चे काम करते हैं. सो दे हैव टू डू ऑल दोज थिंग्स टू हैव देयर फूड. उनकी रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में उन्हें काम करना पड़ता है. किस लिए? बिकॉज they all that they are doing for the food only. So how can we help them? So we can share our toys, our food, our books to such needy children, because all those who are in need, they also wants to learn, they also wants to play, they also wants to have some kind of a food. Actually उन्हें भी पसंद होता है ये सब चीजें. So we can help them using our toys, using our food or our books. जो भी हमारे books होंगे जो हमें use कर चुके हैं. Right now you are in 3rd standard, so whatever the books you have of 1st standard, 2nd standard, you can share those books to poor people or the children who are in need. So we can help them with the studies also. I came up with I read one article in which in Kerala school students are there. One day of a week they are going out, they are reaching out to nearby villages and they are teaching to other children. Means if you are in 3rd standard, so you are going out there, reaching over there with your all study material and you are teaching to standard 1st student or 2nd student. So you can share your knowledge with them, so we can help them in studies also, those who are in need. So and listen, those who are in need, they are poor people. So वो क्या, they feel lonely, they feel shy to speak or to play with us or to play with others. So we can talk with them, we can mix them while we are playing. Okay, take them with you while you are playing also. So talking and playing games with them will not make them feel lonely. And by this way or any other way, we can bring smile on their faces. So that smile will give you a pleasure beta. Okay, so next topic, we caring for animals. This is very important. As we are living in a family, we are living in a society, we care about our elders, we care about those who are able also, but we don't care about animals. Whenever we see animal, whenever we see other animals, like whenever we see dog, हम सीधा हड़ शुरू कर देते या फिर पत्थर उठा के फेंक देते. So those are things that you have to you don't have to do. So what are the things that you can do, or in which way you can show your care and compassion towards these animals that we are going to see. So first thing that you have to do is be kind to animals and birds around you. You have to be kind. So be kind to animals and birds which are around you. So which are the birds that we see around us? Sparrows are there, crow are there, pigeon is there, parrot is there, many birds are there, many animals you can see, cow is there, then buffaloes are there, dogs are there, donkeys are there, pigs are there, many are there. Okay, so what what are the things that you can do for caring them? First thing, do not chase the dog or throw stones at them. नहीं तो हमें आदत होती है कुत्ता दिखे कि भूताओ पत्थर मार दो उसको. डू नॉट प्रोवोक एनी एनिमल. लाइक सब बोलते कुत्ते काटते, नो नेवर, दे डोंट. Okay, if you will not provoke them, why will they bite you? Okay, so don't provoke any animal. Okay, and don't chase them, don't throw stones at them. Okay, feed your pets. If you have pets, you have to feed them, because they also feel hungry, like as you feel, they also feel hungry too. Now be kind to feed a starving dog on the street. जो रास्ते पे डॉग्स वगैरह दिखते हैं ना, सो इफ यू हैव एक्सेसिव फूड, जो आधी चपाती होगी, जो ब्रेड होगा, बिस्किट होगा, यू हैव टू ऑफर दैट टू दैट street dogs also. Then do not keep animals or birds in cages. Yes, this is the very harsh or cruel thing that we do. Like हम बहुत सारे पंछी लाते हैं, उन्हें केज में बंद कर देते. केज यानी पिंजरा. So we don't have to keep them, because they are also, and they also have feelings, they also wants to be free. So हमें पसंद आएगा कि हमें कोई पिंजरे में रखे. So we have to let them go, we have to let them free. Then take injured animal or a bird to veterinary doctors. मतलब जो डॉक्टर्स हमें क्योर करते हैं, likewise we have some special doctors, veterinary doctors are there for. Okay, so when these animals are injured, you have to take them to a special doctor. Okay, those doctors are called veterinary doctor. Like there are many doctors who take care of humans. So the doctors who take care of animals, they are called veterinary doctors. So we have to take them to that doctors also. Now they feel hungry, they feel thirsty also. So we have to keep some bowls of water in your balconies, in your windows, or on your terrace for those litter friends. Those birds are there na, just think that they are your friend and just care for them. So be friend of a bird, be friend of animal, be friend of other species, be friend of your elders, be friend of your needy friends, needy poors. Okay, so put some grains or hang a bird feeder in your balconies, at your terrace, on your terrace, so they can feed themselves and their young ones also. So these are the ways that in which you can show your care and compassion towards your society, towards your elders, towards the disabled person, or towards your animals also. So I hope you have enjoyed this session. It was a short one. You have to read the lesson also, read lesson once again, so you can get those ideas how you can show your care and compassion towards this. Okay, so by this we'll stop here. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.